From the Launchpad, let's explore another area where we can connect. Log into analytics.google.com. Select the correct account. Go to Admin Settings. Select Data Streams under Property Settings. Choose Web as platform. Enter website address and continue. Select View Tag Instructions. Copy the given code under Install manually. Go to Website/Funnel inside NiceApp. Paste the code in Head Tracking Code in Website Funnel Settings. Then save the settings. After confirmation, your Google Analytics account will be integrated into NiceApp.ai. You can now access your website traffic data directly from the platform and leverage insights to improve performance.